Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Well, it seems like one country, or at least the elected officials of the people of one country, come to their senses. That is Switzerland. It seems like they will just place themselves against the current, and we'll see how far that would get them, because they will be hit by the big boss, which I don't know how much power the big boss has over Switzerland, but we're going to find out. So what's going on here? This article comes from Sputnik, and it is from today, the 8th of June 2023. Swiss lower house votes against providing $5.5 billion aid package to Ukraine. Surprised? I am surprised very, very much. This is the first time a parliament, a body of elected officials, let's put it this way, voted against giving them money, giving those guys in charge of Ukraine. But maybe they voted against giving them 5.5 billion because the amount was too low, too small. Maybe they will vote for something like 15 billion. I foresee that happening as a possibility. That's why they voted against, because 5.5 billion, is not enough. I am waiting. The Swiss National Council, the lower house of the country's parliament, voted Thursday against providing Ukraine with a 5 billion Swiss francs, $5.5 billion aid package for humanitarian assistance, civilian protection, and mine clearance, saying various issues related to the country's reconstruction need clarification. Well, let's see, and I'm quoting, "The National Council is currently opposed to providing Ukraine with the 5 billion franc aid program. On Thursday, it rejected the proposal of the Foreign Affairs Committee to grant the aid package for a period of 5 to 10 years. The proposal has been withdrawn," the statement published by the Swiss Parliament read. The funds were earmarked for humanitarian aid, protection of civilians, mine clearance, and peace consolidation, the document said. Well, you can put so many things under this, it's unbelievable. But they are still, I think just they don't know who they're dealing with. Meanwhile, Swiss Foreign Minister Ignazio Cassis told a parliamentary session that the country would continue to help rebuild Ukraine, but that it was necessary to clarify various issues related to the country's reconstruction and international cooperation in this area. The Council of States, the upper house of parliament, will discuss a similar proposal to send Ukraine a 5 billion franc package on June 12. The document added, Western countries have been supplying Ukraine with progressively heavier sorts of weapons since the start of hostilities with Russia in February 2022. In May, Switzerland's parliament representative to the United Nations, Pascale Beriswil, said that the re-export of Swiss weapons to Ukraine was impossible without a change in the law. They changed the law, I think, or they will. The Alpine nation has repeatedly rejected requests from Germany, Spain, and Denmark to re-export Swiss-made ammunition to Kiev, citing the nation's principle of military neutrality. According to Switzerland's authorities, Bern can refuse to re-export military materials if the country to which they are destined is involved in an international armed conflict. They will change it and bye-bye. They just bypassed it. So, it's coming. I think this is just a little bump in the road. They have to work a little bit on some details. Basically, that's what it is. But at least as a first step, could show others signs like, Germany, hey, maybe you don't give everything United States tells you to give. How about that? But no, Germany is lost in between legs. Not gone, 70 some years gone. But anyway, this is it, my friends. Switzerland, probably doesn't want to spend its money the way other people want Switzerland to spend the money. They want something in return. And that is, remember, it's just a record. I think this might look like an aid with earmarks. Not only that, it can be used only this. Probably it's going to get some return somewhere. And probably they're just looking at some details on that area. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Stay strong, stay smart, look for the truth, and be just.